we specialize in doing two things, which is part of our objective today and our goal. I'd like to share what our objectives are, and then we're going to go around the room and use your introductions as a teaching moment for things that are important for you to learn. So let me share three things that I hope we accomplish in the investment of 4 hours we have today. Number one, I will be a facilitator. I will be the conduit of the best practices that are occurring in this room. Every one of you have a gifted approach to your business. I will be the facilitator that takes your gifts and helps us share them and understand them as we go around the room. I'm not a professor, I'm not an instructor. This is not a dissertation. This is a sales conversation. So our first objective is to take the brilliance that's in this room and make sure everybody understands what it is, starting with your introductions. That's number one.